Smart Guidelines for 10th Standard Students. Chapter Arithmetic Progressions Part 3. Now we are going to learn about nth term of an AP. Okay, here nth term means our AN formula which we learnt in our introduction video. So AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So always keep AN in bracket only, because whenever you will get the n number of terms, that time you have to make the subtraction. After subtraction only you have to multiply that number with common difference. So here what is AN? AN is our nth term. A means our first term. N means number of terms of that AP. So total number of terms. And D is common difference. And also we can call AN means nth term as last term L. Okay, we have to indicate by L. AN equal to L. So this one we will get in our sum of first n terms. That time we will get this last term. Okay, so now presently for exercise 1.2 we need this formula. Out of these 4 factors, they will give any 3 factors. So using those 3 factors we have to find remaining factor. Okay, so I will solve here few questions based on this formula. Now in exercise 1.2, here they given one table. Okay, so in this table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, and AN the nth term of AP. So wherever the blanks are there you have to fill along with calculating the nth term formula. So here in first question they given A, that is 7, D is 3, N is 8. You have to find AN. So now use that formula and find it. Let's do the calculation. So in first question they given A, D, N. We have to find the AN for AN. So use the formula. So already I told they will give any 3 terms. Using those 3 terms you have to find the 4th term. Okay, so now put in the formula. What is A? A is 7 plus N is 8 minus 1. So D is 3. So first open the bracket. 7 plus 8 minus 1 means it is also 7. So bracket in the sense it is multiplication into 3. So 7 plus 7 3s are, it will be 21. 21 plus 7, here we will get 28. Our nth term is 28. So in your fair book, try to draw this table and fill in the blanks. So here what we get? We got here AN is 28. So write it here 28. You don't write in your textbook. You have to write in your fair book along with calculation. So now I will do the second one, and remaining 3 are for your practice. So in second one they given minus 18, that is A. They didn't given D. It means you have to find the D. And they given N, that is 10. And they given AN, that is 0. So let's do the calculation. Write the given points. A is minus 18, D we have to find. So I kept here in question mark. N is 10, AN is 0. Now put the all values in formula. In place of AN, what is there? 0. Keep 0. A means minus 18 plus N means 10 minus 1. Okay, so we have to find the D. So keep D like that only. So here first, here it is minus 18 is there. So take this minus 18 to left side. Whenever if you taking right to left or left to right, the sign will change in if it is in addition or subtraction. So now here minus 18 is there. If I take to left side, it becomes plus 18. Okay, so what left here? 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 means 9. What left? D. Okay, so now 9 into D. Here it is multiplication. So when it is minus, it becomes plus. Plus become minus. But here it is multiplying 9 into D. So multiplication will goes to division and division will goes to multiplication. So here 9 is multiplying So I will take this 9 to left side, it becomes division. So if I take 9 this side, it becomes 18 divided by 9 equal to D. So 9 ones are 9 twos are, D equal to 2. So now we got common difference, D equal to 2. So here we have to write common difference 2. So like that you do the other 3 problems as your practice. Now in second question, here they given multiple choice question, means choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So justification means you have to do the calculation how that answer will comes. Here in first question they given 30th term of the AP. See here they given AP 10, 7, 4 dash dash means infinity is, here they given 4 answers. So now you find the 30th term, so and choose here correct answer. So out of 2, first one and second one both are similar, so I will go with the second one only, because see here they given in fraction. So few of you students are having fear about fractions, multiplication means fractions calculations totally. So I will go with this fractions, so it will be easy to understand. So according to second answers, you have to calculate the first one as your practice. Okay. So now I will take the second one directly. So first you write the given terms. So here you have to find the 11th term. So I will write A11 as our question mark. So A11 means in place of n they given 11, it means n equal to 11. So number of terms are 11, and they given AP, that in that first term is minus 3, but here they didn't mention common difference, that is D. For that what you have to do, we know the formula, D equal to A2 minus A1. Okay, A2 is in minus. Okay, obviously sometimes you will get the minus answers also. So for the first question you will get minus answer only. Don't be get panic or fear to get the minus problems. Okay, few of here what you will do, if it coming in minus you will put it in positive. Don't do like that. Okay, if it comes in negative, keep it in negative only. Okay, so now A2 is minus 1 by 2. Here minus is there, I kept minus. A1 is what? A1 is minus 3. So minus of minus 3 we have to write. So writing is also very important here. Now minus 1 by 2 is there, minus 1 by 2, keep like that only. Minus into minus it becomes plus 3. Okay, plus 3 means what? It is 3 by 1. If there is no denominator means 1 is always at denominator. So it is minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 1. So take the LCM. So LCM will be 2, because 2 ones are 2, 1 twos are 2. So 2 ones are 1 twos are. So 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 3 twos are 6. So 6 minus 1 will get here 5 by 2. Okay, so here minus, here plus. So that time what we have to do? We have to make the subtraction from bigger number to smaller number. So 6 minus 1 will get here 5, and greater sign will be plus, so it will be plus 5. So you can put it or leave like that only, it's okay. So 5 by 2 is our D. So now what you have to find? We have to find the A11th term. So we know the formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now put all values in this. So AN means I will put it as A11, because 11th term we are finding. Okay, so now A means already they given minus 3 plus N is 11 minus 1. Okay, so next D is, we got it 5 by 2, right, like that only. So minus 3 plus 11 minus 1, it becomes 10 into 5 by 2. So here multiplication, do it cancel, cross cancel. So 2 1s are 2 5s are. So here minus 3 plus is there, 5 into 5 25. So here plus minus, here plus, so opposite sign are there. So go with the subtraction from bigger number. 25 minus 3 you will get here 22. So greater sign is plus, so we will get here plus 22, that is our 11th term. Now check the answer. See here, our answer is 22. B is our answer. You don't mark in textbook. You should do these all problems in your fair book neatly. Okay, whenever if you not getting the answer or else if you having the doubts, just keep them. Whenever you will come to school, that time we will discuss those. Okay, so whatever I solving in the video and whatever I giving as a practice, do it in home. Okay, so if you have the doubt, after you coming to school we will discuss. Now moving to the next problem, that is third problem. Here also you have to find the missing term in the boxes. So here they already given these are APs. Okay, so by using those APs we have to find the missing term. So here out of 5 I will do any 2 and 3 are for your homework, means practicing. First one I will do and third one I will do. In first one they given A1, A2 is blank, means box, A3 they given. So A1 we know, A3 we know. Now we have to find the A2. Okay, so let's do the by calculating. Okay, in second term they given A1, that we can take it as A, that is 2, and they given A3, that is 26. So we know the formula, nth term, use that. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so An place I will take it as A3. So A3 we know, A that is 2. Now come the question, where is n? N is here. In place of n what we wrote? 3, that is. So 3 minus 1, and we don't know D. So now we have to find that D. Okay, in place of A3 I will took 26 equal to, here 2 is there, keep like that only, plus 3 minus 1, that is also 2, 2 into D. So I take 2 to the left side, it becomes 26 minus 2 equal to what left here, 2D. So 26 minus 2 it becomes 24 equal to 2D. So if I take 2 this side, it becomes division, 2 1s are 2 12s are. So now we got D equal to 12. Now what we need? We need A2. So A2 means what? A1 plus D. What is A1? That is 2. A1 that is 2. 2 plus D. D is 12. Here 2 plus 12 will be 14. So our answer is 14. So write it here in box, that is 14. Now in third question, they given A1, A2 is not there, A3 is not there, directly they given A4, which is in fraction form. Okay, mixed fraction, that is 9 integer 1 by 2. So write the first terms. What they given? A1, that is our A, that is 5, and A4 they given 9 integer 1 by 2. So how to write this improper fraction? 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. Okay, so it will be easy for our calculation if we keep it in fraction form. Now we don't know D. For getting the next term or adding to the next term, we need the D, means common difference. So that we have to find. How to find? Use again An formula. So that is An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here An means we should take the last term only, that is 9 integer 1 by 2. So in place of An I will write here 19 by 2, which is mixed fraction. A is we know, that is 5 plus n is we don't know. What is n? Yes, n is here. In place of a4 we taking means n will be 4. So fourth term we should take because we are taking the fourth term. So n becomes 4. 4 minus 1 into d. Okay, now 5. If I take the 5 this side, it becomes, already here it is making plus. So if I take this side, it becomes minus. So equal to 4 minus 1, it will be 3 into d. Okay, so now 19 by 2 minus 5. 5 I will write like this, 5 by 1 to make it subtraction. So 2 and 1 LCM will be 2 because 2 1s are 1 2s are. So 19 minus 5 2s are 10. So here we will get 3d. So 19 minus 10, it becomes 9 by 2 equal to 3d. Okay, so where 3d, if we take 3 to left side, it becomes what I told, it becomes here already it is multiplying. If we take to left side, it becomes division. So how division? It becomes reciprocal 1 by 3 or else whole divided by 3. You can write like this also. It becomes multiplication. It becomes division. So division always at the denominator. So d equal to 3 1s are 3 3s are. So make the cross cancellation. 3 1s are 3 by 2. So it is our d. Now we got the d. So first we have to find now a2. What is a2? a2 means a1 plus d. Okay, so put the values. Okay, so try along with me. a1 is there. What is a1? a1 is 5 plus d is 3 by 2. So automatically here again LCM will be 2. 1 2s are 2 1s are. So 5 2s are 10 plus 3. So a2 will be 10 plus 3, that is 13 by 2. This is our a2. So like that you have to find the a3 also. What is a3? a3 is a2 plus d. What is a2? a2 we got here 13 by 2 plus what is d? d just we got 3 by 2. Okay, denominators are same. So no need of taking the LCM. Here also 2, here also 2. So LCM will be 2 only. So 13 plus 3, it becomes 16. So if you want, you can cancel it. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So here a3 equal to 8. So this is our answer. So now we got a2 and a3. Now we put it in boxes. So a2 is 13 by 2 or a3 is 8. Okay, so here a2 is 13 by 2, but they given in mixed fraction. You can make it mixed fraction also. How to do? So just you divide the 13 by 2, 2 6 are 12. What is remaining? 1. It means 6 integer 1 by 2. So instead of 13 by 2, you can write 6 integer 1 by 2 also. Okay, so if in backside they may given 6 integer 1 by 2, so it is also right. 13 by 2 is also right. From fourth question onwards, here we will get word problems. These also similar to the earlier problems, just they given here in words. You should write in terms of factors. Okay, so I'll just explain fourth and fifth one how to do. Okay, so you do them as practice. See which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 continuous is 78. So it means they given here AN and A, you have to find the D. So what you have to find? You have to find the n term, means which term it will be, nth means n you have to find. So you keep the n like that only in calculation. other things you put in formula and make the calculation. You will get here n. And same thing here also. Find the number of terms in each of the following. Okay, so here also they given AP and up to last term they given an term. So you have to find the n. Here also same. So 1, 2, 3 are there. Out of 3, 1 I will show you how to do. Okay, so here it is in fraction. So I will take this fraction only, because always you will get confusion in fractions. And you think that these problems are very toughest problems which are in fraction. No, these only very easy problems if you know the logic of maths. Okay, so out of these 3 I will do the 5th question in that the second one. In 5th means second question, they given here one AP, that is 18, 15 integer 1 by 2, 13 up to minus 47. It means here A is 18, last term that is an, that is minus 47. You have to find the how many terms. Terms means n value. You have to find the n. So n equal to question mark. And for this calculation we need the common difference. So for the common difference we know the formula. What is formula? A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. Okay, so here A2, what is A2? That is in mixed fraction. So first you write it in mixed fraction only. 15 integer 1 by 2 minus A1. A1 is 18. So try to make it in improper fraction. 2 15s or 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 1, 31 divided by 2 minus 18. So here denominator is not there, means it is always 1. So take the LCM, that is 2. So 2 1s are 1 2s are. So 31. So it becomes 31 into 1 31 minus 18 into 2 36. So here we will get in negative that, because minus 36 you have to do. 36 minus 31 we will get here 5. Which 5? That is minus 5, because here greater sign is minus. So 5 by 2. This is our T. So now put the formula. What is formula? An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So put the value according to the given factors and find the n. Here an we know, that is minus 47, a we got 18 and we don't know n, that only we have to find. Keep like that only, n minus 1, and d we just got, that is minus 5 by 2. So whenever you writing in negative numbers, that time write them in bracket. So it is easy to understand where we have to do the multiplication or subtraction. So it is in bracket means we have to do here multiplication. So step by step we can go. So here minus 47 is there. I will take this 18 to left side. It becomes minus 47 minus 18 is equal to. So whatever kept left, write like that only. N minus 1 into in bracket minus 5 by 2. Okay. So here minus 47 minus 18. So same sign are there. You have to go with addition. So 47 plus 18, what you will get here? So it will be 7 plus 8 15, carry 1, so it becomes minus 65 equal to minus n minus 1, here minus 5 by 2. Okay, so this 5 by 2 if we take to left side, so here it is already multiplying. If we take to left side, it becomes division. So in case of it is in division, it becomes reciprocal here. So it becomes 2 by minus 5 equal to n minus 1. Okay. So here minus 5 is there, here minus 65 is there. So it will get cancelled. Minus minus get cancelled, and 5 ones are 5, 13s are. Okay, 13 2s are 26 equal to n minus 1. So if I take 1 this side, it becomes here minus, it becomes here plus. So 26 plus 1, that is n. So n equal to 27. So number of terms are 27. So like that you have to do the first first question of 5th main and 4th main also, similar problems. So try to do them, practice. Now we are going to next problem. Now 6th question, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. So here they given one AP, that is 11, 8, 5, 2. So what they asking, is it the term of this AP, means which is the, that is minus 150, is it the term of given AP or not. So we have to check it using our nth formula. So in 6th question they given AP 11, 8, 5, 2. So you have to check AN they given, that is minus 150 is its term or not. Okay, so it means you will get this minus 150 in this or not, you have to check. So for that we need first common difference, that is D. D is A2 minus A1. What is A2? A2 is 8 minus 11. So here we will get minus 3. Okay, so A2 D equal to minus 3. Now put in the formula. AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is AN? That is minus 150 equal to A. A is what? A is 11 here. So you can write it here. A equal to 11 you can write. A equal to 11, put it. 11 plus n we don't know, keep like that only. We know the D, that is minus 3. Okay, so if I take 11 this side, it becomes minus 150 minus 11. What left here? N minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, so minus 150 minus 11, so it becomes minus 161. So if I take minus 3 this side, it becomes division, minus 3 equal to n minus 1. So here it is minus minus get cancelled, but 161 is not divisible by 3. It is not perfectly divisible by 3. So you may get here you will get here in decimal form. So n always should be whole number. So here we getting in rational number, it means in fraction. So we can say that minus 150 is not term of given AP. So you have to write here. So here n should be whole number or natural number. So minus 150 is not term of given AP. Like that you have to write in your fair book. Now in 7th question, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So using here two equations, we have to find first A and D. So after getting A and D, we have to find the 31st term. Okay, so let's do the calculation. First you write the given point. So here we have to find A31 means 31st term, that I will written here in question mark. Next A11 means 11th term they given 38, A16 they given 73. Okay, so here A11, how we can write A11? So we can write like this, A11 as A plus 10D. Okay, recall the introduction concept. So there I given, if you need the 11th term, it means you have to add the 10 number of D. So 1 minus of the total numbers. So this is our shortcut form. A11 equal to A plus 10D. How much they given? That is 38. Okay, so now A11 A plus 10D equal to 38. So let's take it as equation number 1. Similarly A16 they given, how we will write? A plus 1 less of this D means 16 minus 1, it becomes 15D. Okay, so a plus 15d, it will be 73, already they given, so it is equation number 2. So now solving 1 and 2. So how to do? Just you do subtract first equation from the second equation. So I will take here subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so now what is equation 2? First you have to write a plus 15d equal to 73. In that we have to subtract the equation number 1. Write it a plus 10d equal to 38. So you have to go subtraction, means the sign will becomes minus. So plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So here plus are there all side. So these all becomes minus. So a minus a, it will get cancelled. 15 minus 10, here we will get 5d. Here 73 minus 38. Subtract it. 13 minus 8, 5. So I took carry, so it becomes 13. 13 minus 8 it becomes 5. So carry, it becomes 6. 6 minus 3. So here 3. So d equal to 35 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 7s are. So d equal to 7. Now we got the d. So for the calculation, what we need? We need first term also, that is a. So now we go back to equation number 1 and 2. In any one equation, put the d, we will get the a. Substitute d equal to 7 in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? That is a plus 10d equal to 38. So a is, we don't know, we have to find that only. A plus 10 into 7, because d is 7 equal to 38. A equal to, so here 10 into 7, 70. So if I take that 70 that side, it becomes, so minus 70 we will get. A equal to 38 minus 70, we will get here minus 32. Same thing you substitute in the formula a 31st. So we know the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the a, that is minus 32. Now n, how much n? N is 31st. So 31 minus 1, and d we got, that is 7. So here minus 32 minus 32, and here 31 minus 1 we will get here 30. 30 into 7 we will get 210. So it will be 210 here. 210 minus 32 or minus 32 plus 210, we will get here 178. So our answer is 178. Now in 8th and 9th questions are almost similar to the 7th and 6th questions. So try to do them yourself. Now I will directly take the 10th question, that is the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So here they given one relationship, that is 17th term, means 17th term will be equal to 10th term plus 7. Exceeds means extra. So for if you add 7 to the 10th term, you will get 17th. So let's do, and with the calculation we have to find the common difference. According to question, I written here A17 equal to A10 plus 7. So what is A17? It will be A plus 16D. And what is A10? That is A plus 9D. Okay, what remaining? Plus 7. So plus 7. So now take all like terms one side and positive numbers one side. So here we will get this A to left side minus A, and 9D will be minus 9D. So A minus A, what we will get here? 0. A minus A, 0. and 16D minus 9D. So 16D minus 9D, what you will get? That is 7D equal to 7. So if I take 7 that side, it becomes divisible. So D equal to 7 by 7. So 7 ones are 7 ones are. So our answer D equal to 1. So common difference will be 1. This is your answer. Do remaining problems as practice. Thank you.